Good day. On this video, we will illustrate how you convert your existing Geyserwise TSE1, Delta T or Max with a 3-digit display to a smart device powered by Tuya or Smart Life. Download the app from either the App Store or Google Play Store, or by scanning either of the QR codes that you see on this slide. Follow the steps below and start experiencing the Internet of Things. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can replace your Geyserwise TSE1, your Geyserwise Max or your Geyserwise Delta T with a 3-digit display to the Internet of Things with your replacement display that will enable you to control your geyser from your mobile phone. First of all, use a smart edge screw to remove these two little plugs that covers the screws in the bottom of your display. Then take a screwdriver, undo these two holding screws on the display, undo the display and unplug your existing display. The next step would be to undo these 4 screws on that particular display. Remove this display, replace it with your IoT display, which will be identified by means of this IoT device, which is both 2.4G Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth. Once this is screwed on to your existing cover, you'll merely plug the display back and immediately the display will come on. And replace the front end cover. Replace the screws. Good. Now the first step after replacing will be to check the settings. Temperature settings, wherever you want it, temperature setting 1, temperature setting 2, temperature setting 3, temperature setting 4, the day of the week. Today is Wednesday, so it's on Wednesday, today is Thursday, so we'll up it to Thursday. You will check your time setting, which is correct. Adjust the time in the minutes. Now, once you have downloaded your app, you will go onto your app once you've downloaded it, and you will say add a device. Immediately comes up, devices to be added. The Geyserwise here, you press and hold the yellow button for 3 seconds. Your Wi-Fi will flash. Just keep in mind that both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be on your phone, and you will say add the device, and it will discover the device. Insert your Wi-Fi name and your password. It must be on a 2.4G. Next, Now you can see the device is being added. Once the device is being added, it will actually turn this flashing Wi-Fi signal into a solid signal. There it's been added, it's done solid, we say done, and there you've got the Geyserwise coming up. So from this app now you can manually switch the unit on. There the 3 droplets are on, you can switch it off. You can go and you can put it into holiday mode. Immediately there it's in holiday mode. We can take it out of holiday mode to a normal mode. You can adjust your temperatures by using these sliders and just confirm. Now if you go to your home, you can add scenes. You can create a scene, for argument's sake a schedule. Now in addition to these timers that's set on the Geyserwise, which are actually backup timers, you can set additional timers by scrolling down and set ever what you want to. You can say once or repeat those timers on Mondays, Saturdays and Tuesdays, and say for argument's sake on Saturdays. And you can carry on with those. So you can do a lot of more tasks with the app than with the Geyserwise itself. Thank you for watching this video.